Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forrest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and give you my impressions of the OnePlus Nord. But before I get into this video, check this out. Alright everyone, so I'm back with another video. I hope you like that unboxing intro. Yes, this is the OnePlus Nord. I need to give a shout out to my fellow Team 100 member, Eric Kelly, aka the Tech Gentleman. If you're not subscribed to his channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll have a link in the description. He was nice enough to let me go ahead and unbox this, use it on my channel for a few weeks, and do my videos on the OnePlus Nord. I'm excited to have a OnePlus device on my channel again, and I hope OnePlus brings the Nord to the USA. I really do believe that OnePlus will bring the Nord to the US. That's why they gave out some phones for review in the USA. Right now you can get the phone from India and also in Europe. In this video, I just want to give you my impressions on it. I've been using it for almost 10 hours now. I just want to go over my thoughts about the device so far. Like I said, I'm excited to have a OnePlus device on the channel again. So in this video, I'm gonna just go over some things I like and maybe one or two things I noticed that I don't like about it. Let's get into the specs really quick. You have a 6.44 inch AMOLED display here. It's a 1080p display. The resolution is 2400 by 1080p if you care about the resolution. Yes, the screen gets really bright. As you can tell here, I'm gonna tone that down some. It's a beautiful screen. Look. The only thing that you have is the double camera cutout, which we will go over in a little bit. And this wallpaper kind of hides it anyway. This version right here has 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. It comes with a 1500 milliamp hour battery. It does have Android 10. And it's running the latest Oxygen OS, which I really did miss on the channel. It does come with warp charging. This thing charges really quick too, like 100% in like less than 67 minutes or 57 minutes or something like that. It's crazy fast. No, it does not have wireless charging, or it does not have any type of water resistance. It is the budget phone for OnePlus. On the front, the cameras, you have a 32 megapixel main shooter. And then you also have a 8 megapixel wide angle lens on the front. So you can fit the group selfies in there. On the back right there, you do have a 48 megapixel main shooter, a 8 megapixel ultra wide. They threw in a 5 megapixel depth lens in there. And then also a 2 megapixel macro lens. Do y'all really use the macro lens? I don't know. Look, ooh. Yes, the sides are plastic. They did cut some corners, but look at that. I love the notification slide. There's a power button. At the bottom, you have the speaker, the USB Type-C, microphone, the SIM card slot. On the left-hand side, you have the volume rockers. On the top, another microphone. You may ask, where is the headphone jack? No headphone jack on this phone. What y'all think? Should it have a headphone jack? Yes, a little branding there. Overall, the phone is not really small, and it feels pretty good in the hands. It's not like heavy too much. I thought it was gonna feel cheap, and it actually does not feel like a cheap build. But look at that, all that screen. Yes, you have some bezels at the bottom. Not that big of a forehead. So I've been using it for a while, like I said earlier. The one thing I don't like about it is that it doesn't have dual speakers. And the one speaker sounds okay, it does get kind of loud, but it's not the greatest sounding speaker that I have, especially at this price point. I think they could have did a better job with the speakers. So far, the battery life has been pretty good. I'm at 73%, and I took the phone off the charger about 8 hours ago or so, or 9 hours ago, and it's at 73%. So the battery life should be really good on this phone. Watching video with this display has been great. Not gonna lie, the display is really impressive. Overall, Oxygen OS is smooth. I forgot to mention that the display is 90 Hertz. So the display with the Snapdragon 765 processor, which I don't think I mentioned earlier either, it makes a fluid look. I mean, it's just great. I don't see any type of hiccups, smooth. Yeah, so I really like that they have a 90 Hertz refresh rate on a phone of this price. You don't get a lot of bloatware on here from OnePlus, which is great too. And it's unlocked, so I do have my T-Mobile SIM card in here. I also put my AT&T SIM card in here earlier too. It is 5G also, so that's another thing that it has going for it. It does have the in-display fingerprints reader too, so I wanna show you that. It's actually pretty good. It works pretty quick. It has face unlock, which unlocks the phone really quick too. So y'all let me know in the comments below. Do y'all like the in-display fingerprint scanner, or do you like the fingerprint scanner on the back like the Pixel 4a? Y'all let me know in the comments which one you like better. Also, I like the idea they give you a case. And I checked out Amazon. I probably will buy a couple cases for this phone just to try them out. But this case actually works pretty good. Look, it will protect the back of your phone so you don't have to get scratches on it. So, hey, at least they give you a case. Not too bad. So that was just a quick first impression video / unboxing. Y'all let me know what type of videos you want to see on this OnePlus Nord from me. I might do a gaming review, camera test. I might compare the cameras to the Pixel 4a or even the V60. I don't know. Y'all let me know what other type of videos you want to see. Do y'all want to see a speaker test, gaming review? Y'all let me know in the comments. I'll probably come back in a week or so and let you know my overall experience with the phone after using it for about a week or so. Stay tuned for that video. One thing else, make sure if you're not part of the BAM Nation, hit the join button for memberships. Coming soon, I'm gonna have giveaways on there. Also, it's just another way to support the channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that way you know when I'm dropping the latest video on the OnePlus Nord or any other device that I may pick up. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation on Twitter. And until next time, y'all have a great day. Peace. I'm out of here.